Welcome to Adifco, and welcome to the future of clean energy. Imagine a home where the sun powers everything from your lights to your car. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of having a home-based solar panel system powering a hydrogen generator to fuel your hydrogen car and even supply energy for your home. I'm excited to show you how a home solar panel system can revolutionize your energy consumption by powering a hydrogen generator. This innovative setup not only fuels your car, but also provides clean energy for your home. Let's see how it works. First, let's talk about the power source. Solar panels. These panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, providing a renewable and eco-friendly energy source. With solar power, you're harnessing the clean energy of the sun right from your rooftop. Now, here's where the magic happens. This is our hydrogen generator, also known as an electrolyzer. It uses the electricity from our solar panels to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. This process creates hydrogen fuel that can power your car and more. The electrolyzer efficiently converts solar electricity into hydrogen gas, which is then stored in high-pressure tanks. This hydrogen can be used to fuel your car or power various home appliances, ensuring you make the most of your renewable energy. One of the most exciting applications of home-produced hydrogen is powering your car. Hydrogen fuel cell vehicles are incredibly efficient, emitting only water vapor. Imagine never having to visit a gas station again. Just refuel at home with clean hydrogen. With a home-based hydrogen production setup, you can produce enough hydrogen to fuel your car, reducing your reliance on fossil fuels and cutting down on greenhouse gas emissions. Plus, it's cost-effective and convenient. But it doesn't stop there. Any excess hydrogen produced can be used to power your home. You can run appliances, heat water, and even generate electricity, making your home more energy independent and sustainable. By combining solar power with hydrogen production, you're creating a self-sufficient energy ecosystem. This setup not only benefits the environment, but also provides you with reliable, clean energy year-round. If you already have a solar power system installed, you're halfway to a complete home-based hydrogen production setup. Your existing solar panels provide the renewable electricity necessary to power a hydrogen generator, also known as an electrolyzer. This means you only need to add the electrolyzer and a safe hydrogen storage system to start producing your own clean hydrogen fuel. By leveraging your current solar infrastructure, you can efficiently generate hydrogen to power your hydrogen car and even supply additional energy for your home, maximizing the use of your renewable energy investment and taking a significant step towards energy independence and sustainability. Subscribe for more clean energy tips and innovations.